fellow guests, director ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. Just like a perfect recipe begins with the right ingredients, today's introductory skill presentation begins with your precious presence. I warmly welcome you all to this wonderful event. As a representative from the bakery trade, I truly believe that creativity, skills, and patience are the key ingredients for success. Today, you will witness a delightful blend of talent from all participants. We are truly honored to have our respected guests with us whose presence adds value and encouragement to this event. So let us just begin our wonderful journey of learning and appreciation. Thank you once again, a very warm welcome to everyone. So this will be our bread cookies by Confectioner and assorted cookies and ginger cookies house by Confectioner. After that, we will push Christmas tree by Confectioner. And then Tom and Jerry cheesecake by Confectioner. Last but not the least, we have chocolate chocolate cake by the Confectioner. So I request all the participants to start making their own products. And with this, I want to call my friend Timothy on the stage, so please give a big round of applause.
Hello everyone, I'm Timothy from Arunachal Pradesh. Today I came here in Ireland to learn something on baking items. I want to make my career as a baker. Therefore today I learned and build up my knowledge and skills through this bakery skill presentation. Thank you.
Do you know about this product?
I think this is a bread, right?
Yes, you are right. As you all know that bread is one of the oldest and most essential foods in the world, made up from simple ingredients like water, flour, sugar, salt and yeast. In this showpiece, we have used different types of dough, skill technique and texture for visually appealing design, and such as sesame bread, fancy bread, bob bread, cheese bread, and sweet fancy bread. Especially, we have used swan.
Oh wait, from my knowledge, song is a symbol of beauty.
Yes, swan is the symbol of grace, elegance, and beauty. Its smooth curve and balanced shape make it visually attractive and ideal for artistic presentation. Oh, look here! She is fully involved and curious that she is out of my presence. It shows that the swan that turns simple bread into an artistic presentation. And after that, we have
Cookies. Making of cookies started in Persia around the 7th century when sugar became common. Early bakers began adding like nuts, pistachios, sweet smooth biscuits for flavor and texture. And there are different types of cookies: ragi cookies, atta cookies, samba cookies, pista cookies, and also almond cookies and ginger cookies house. Atta cookies it is sugar-free plus more nutrition. Ragi cookies also sugar-free plus gluten-free. Samba cookies it is a traditional of Tibetan staple made of roasted vegetable. We use flour in samba cookies. And ginger cookies house it is became popular in Europe after the story of Hansel and Gretel because it's when the fine children found made of sweets, since that it's traditional, especially during the Christmas. After next we have
this is a Bush Christmas tree. If I tell you about its structure, the green tree shape is built using the dead dough and green spear. These are the shoe buns coated in the green color, and these all are glued together with the help of caramel. Caramel is a sugar that heated in a dry until it's golden brown color. And a bush is a classic French dessert made of shoe buns and with caramel. And after that, we have Tom and Jerry cheesecake.
wow, so beautiful, so elegant, just looking like a Pema children. And also plating design is very nice. I think she is very talented girl.
Yes, you're quite true. Tom and Jerry cheesecake, inspired by the famous cartoon Tom and Jerry. Taking inspiration from the playful cake and blueberry jelly, while the filling is smooth and creamy, made of cheese and sugar and whipped cream. This design not only focuses on taste but also on visual storytelling. It reflects fun, nostalgia, and creativity, made especially for the children and teen periods. Through this cheesecake, we aim to showcase our both skills in baking and presentation. And after that, we have
Chocolate truffle cake. Chocolate truffle cake named classic truffle, named after the luxurious truffle when sugar it became popular in bakeries as a premium indulgence. These ingredients of chocolate truffle cake is cocoa powder, flour, baking powder, baking soda, milk, oil, and butter. Thank you.
So we have some questions to our participants. So our first question goes to Mr. Love. And my question for you is, did you face any challenges while making this showcase?
Thank you, Angela. Good evening, everyone. So first of all, this is a bread showpiece. It is made up of that dough. It includes flour, water, and sugar. So, Chandula, you asked me, did you face any challenges, right? So, I faced a lot of challenges, like I failed so many times, but after all the guidelines of our sir, Mr. Akula, and our Kaplinga sir, I'm able to make this fine piece of art. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Love.
Hello, this is Sarvala. Can you tell me about the recipe of ginger cookies and also how to make this one?
Good evening to all. This is ginger cookies. The recipe for this is flour, sugar, salt, ginger powder, egg, and baking soda.
Thank you. Wow, Karima, it looks awesome. Is it eatable or it's just for the showpiece?
This is completely edible. It's not only for showpiece. And if anyone likes it, you can also purchase. Thank you.
For Premature Love, why do you choose your theme as Tom and Jerry cheesecake?
Thank you for your question, Chandula. When I was a kid, I used to watch Tom and Jerry a lot. So today I use this platform to share what I love. Thank you.
Thank you, Premature Love.
Hello, this is Nindala. Can you tell me this, how to make this design?
I don't want to share how to make design. This is made up of white chocolate. It is very easy to make if you want to make. Basically, you all need the patience. Thank you.
Thank you. As I'm pretty sure that most of the Telugu students are well aware of cheese bread, sandwich bread, and garlic bread. Apart from these three, we offer many more products. For birthday and celebration, you can always contact us. We assure you hygiene, taste, and on-time delivery. Last but not the least, we would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to our bakery trainers, the Mohammed Akbar and Jedamzillah, who guide us, and a special mention thanks to all the participants who showcased their remarkable skills and creativity. Without everyone's collective effort, this event would not have been complete.
To guide you, baking is not about making food, it's about creating experience with the right skills and passion. A simple ingredient can turn into something extraordinary.
Thank you, everyone.